Hi everybody, Scott Kilby here for Shutterbug Magazine. I've got a very cool Lightroom tip for you. Now, if you use Lightroom Classic, you're probably familiar with the adjustment brush. So the adjustment brush allows us to darken areas, lighten areas, and things like that. And there's all these sliders. Take a look, see all these sliders? All right. So a lot of times you just want to do, I want to make a little area brighter, a little area darker, but I have, all these sliders are all everywhere. I want to show you a tip that will quickly clean up all those sliders. All you have to do is this. You see right up here at the top where it says the word effect. If you just simply double click on the word effect like this, and look, all the sliders reset to 0. So now you can just move up the exposure up or down or whatever you want to do. By the way, even though that we're doing this here in the adjustment brush and we're double clicking effect to reset everything, you can reset any slider anywhere inside of Lightroom by just double clicking directly on the little nub, the little slider itself, double click on it and it will reset to its default. Now, when we're in the basic panel, you see how it says tone up here and it says presence down there. If you double click, for example, on the word tone, look, it resets all of the sliders in just the tone area. If you double click right here on presence, it resets those, and on WB up here, it resets the white balance right there at the top. All right, so that's just a couple of quick tips about Lightroom. Now look, if you like Lightroom like I do, go over to kelby1.com and check out our Lightroom training. We have over 51 classes on Lightroom. About every Lightroom topic you could possibly imagine, they're all over there. And if you want to get really, really good at Lightroom, that's the place to go. Just $10 a month, which is super crazy cheap. And there's no contracts you can cancel anytime. It's super awesome. And start becoming a Lightroom shark. Well, thanks very much, everybody. And we'll catch you next time.